bonjour, hola, oi. Did you know that UpTracker can work in the language of your forest, forêt, bosque, or floresta, no matter what you call the woods? UpTracker adapts to the language you have on your device, regardless if this language is English, French, Spanish, or Portuguese. This allows your operators to work in their language, which removes the guesswork and reduces the risk of clicking the wrong buttons. Now, I will show you when we change the tablet settings to Français, how the UpTracker tab mobile application would reflect that. Now, let's change the tablet settings to Espanol, and the UpTracker tab mobile application will be in Espanol. Finally, let's change it to Portuguese, and we will see how that reflects on the UpTracker tab mobile application. To conclude, UpTracker is valuable for companies that work with a diverse workforce. It is simple to use, multilingual, and adapts to the language of your device. If you want UpTracker to adapt to a specific language that your team speaks, please reach out to us. Do you want to learn more about UpTracker? Please visit our website at www.limgeomatics.com.